If you've been uploading AI-generated videos lately, you might have noticed it. Views are dropping and creators are panicking. Here, let me show you. After the new rules came out, a lot of channels saw a massive decline. Why? Because YouTube now wants your videos to feel authentic, non-repetitive, and actually human. That means bland AI scripts, robotic voices, and copy-paste animations just don't work anymore. You need quality. You need storytelling. You need character. You need character-driven storytelling that actually connects. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. First of all, check out this faceless channel out there making over $70,000 every single month just by uploading AI-generated bedtime stories videos. It's getting close to 30 million views per month, and when I saw that they've already crossed 1 billion total views, I was absolutely shocked. Just imagine how much money they've made overall. It's insane! And the best part? That channel inspired me to launch my own Faceless Kids story channel. And guess what? Just last month, one of my videos alone earned over $3,000. I created that video in under 2 hours using just one powerful AI tool. So let's see how you can also make this type of money printing story videos. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link I've given below. That will take you directly to the website. Now, this is not just any tool, it's a dedicated AI platform where you can create all kinds of long-form story videos. Whether it's bedtime kids stories, short movies, anime-style tales, or even 3D cartoon videos, this tool can handle it all in one place. Which means no more jumping between 5 different tools. You save money, you save time, simple as that. Once you sign up, you'll see a clean, distraction-free dashboard. And I love that. Like, this tool is built specifically for story-based videos, so there's no extra clutter or unnecessary features. Just what you need. If you scroll down a bit, you'll actually see some amazing creations made by other users. These can be great sources of inspiration, especially if you're just starting out. Now, to actually create your video, all you need to do is click on the story to video option, and boom, you're ready to roll. So this right here is your story content dashboard. This is where you'll be adding your story. But hey, before we get to that, make sure to first set the aspect ratio to landscape. Super important. Then keep the video language set to English. Now comes the fun part, the video style section. You're going to love this. There are so many amazing styles to choose from, like 3D cartoon, Disney, epic, animals, kids story, Ghibli style, GTA, comic, and so many more. It's like a playground for creators. Here's a quick tip. Try something new that others aren't already doing. Be different. All right, for now, I'm going with the Disney styles, like it looks polished and super engaging. Perfect. Now, when it comes to the script, you've got 2 options, Smart Script and Basic Script. Let me break it down. In Basic Script, you just paste your full script or story directly, and Magiclight's AI will generate a complete video based exactly on what you wrote. But in Smart Script, you can simply give it a prompt, just a few lines, and it will generate the video for you. Plus, you can also set the duration here. The cool thing is, you can create videos that are 20 to 30 minutes long and even set a custom length if you want. That's really powerful, especially for monetization. Now, it's totally up to you which method you want to go with. But personally, I always like to write my own unique script first, then turn that into a story video, because honestly, that's the safest way to ensure originality and stay compliant with YouTube's policies. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do here. To write my script, I'll be using this amazing tool. I use it in literally every video I make. If you want to try it out, I've dropped the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. And let me tell you something, this tool has made my workflow like 10 times faster. It's seriously a game changer. So yeah, I'll be using it again here. Whether you want to use it or not, that's totally your choice. Oh, and one more thing. I've already made a full tutorial on how to use this script writing tool. If you want to learn how it works step by step, just click the I button up there. You'll find the tutorial video right there. All right, let's keep going. All right, once you're on this screen, the first thing you need to do is add a channel. And in my case, I'm going to add one of my competitors' channels because, hey, they're already doing well in this niche. So why not learn from the best, right? So I'll just copy their channel handle, paste it here, and then click on Add YouTube Channel. Done. Now, the channel has been successfully added. You can now see complete data about this channel, like which category it falls under, the kind of videos it makes, and even how much it earns. And check this out. Its estimated income is between $50,000 to $100,000 per month. That's insane. Basically, this tool now understands what kind of videos you're trying to make scripts for. So next, click on Create Your First Script. Now it'll ask for a video topic. I've already done some research with ChatGPT and found a bunch of great ideas, so I'll just copy one of those and paste it into the topic section. I'll tweak the topic a bit and make sure to include the keyword bedtime story for kids. Great, now I'll paste the same into the video title field as well. Then under Format, I'll select Story and set the target length to 8 minutes. After that, simply hit Create Script. All right, now click on the Research tab. Now in the Research section, go to Add Video and paste links to about 2 to 5 top-performing videos from the competitor's channel. So I'll go ahead and paste those links here, then click on Add Sources and then Frame. Cool, the frame is now generated. let's move forward and click on title. Since the title looks good, I'll leave it as is. Now on to thumbnail. I'm going to skip that for now because I don't need a thumbnail idea at this stage. So let's jump straight to the hook. This part is actually super important. You'll see a bunch of powerful hook suggestions. Just pick the one that fits your video style the best. I'll go with this one here and then move on to payoffs. All right, everything's looking solid. Now click on Generate Outline and Draft. Done. Our complete script is ready, along with a well-organized outline. Now let's head over to the Export tab. Here, you can either copy the full script or download it, whichever you prefer. Great. Now copy the script, head back to Magiclight, and paste it in. One thing to note, if you use Smart Script mode and input your own story, Magiclight might make some adjustments to improve the flow or visuals, which is great. But if you don't want any changes, you can just go with the basic script mode instead. Totally up to you. All right, and hit next. Now Magiclight AI is analyzing your story. And in just a few seconds, your entire scene breakdown is ready. And check this out. Your video has 50 scenes, and inside those, a total of 252 shots. The video length, around 21 minutes. That's pretty long. But don't worry, just create your video based on the number of credits you have available. The longer the video, the more credits it'll use, so always plan accordingly. And with that, let's hit next and move to the rendering step. All right, now comes the fun part. It's time to create a character for your story. And yes, this step is completely necessary. But don't worry at all, it's totally free. Characters are important because every story usually has different personalities, different faces, expressions, and vibes. Just like you can see here, others have created some really cool characters already, and they look amazing. So let's click on Create. Now look here, these are two characters I previously made for one of my earlier videos, and honestly, just look at the quality. It's super detailed and absolutely stunning. All right, let's go ahead and click on Create again. Now here, it'll ask you for a character prompt. But don't worry, you can easily generate that with the help of ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT what your story is about, and it'll analyze it and give you a perfect prompt for your character. So I've already added a prompt here for now. Now I'll click on AI Expand. This will make our prompt even more powerful and detailed. Then hit Generate. Boom! Look at that! Such a cute snail character has been generated. It's so adorable, right? Let's apply this character quickly. Now go ahead, choose your character, and click on Confirm. After that, hit Next. And now the storyboard is being generated. Almost done. So the story is already complete, and the storyboard is now fully ready. Only the image generation is still in process. But wow, just look at these visuals. Seriously, look at the image quality. It's so crisp, clean, and vibrant. Every single image is top-notch. You can really feel the magic in these visuals. Now moving on, it's time to choose a voiceover. First, go ahead and listen to all the available voices one by one. Take your time. Once you find the voice that feels right for your story, just apply it. So for me, I'll go with this one, and I'll slightly increase the voice speed to match the story flow better. Oh, and by the way, you also have the option to add sound effects here, which is really cool. There's a huge library of effects available, but for this particular story, none of the available sound effects really fit well, so I'm going to skip that part for now. Comes the part where we animate these images. To do that, just click on the Animate button. Here, you'll see three powerful video generation models: Animate Pro, Hailuo AI, and Kling AI. All of these are extremely powerful, especially Hailuo AI and Kling AI. They produce stunning results, but keep in mind, the more advanced the model, the more credits they consume. So for now, I'm going to use Animate Pro. It still gives you amazing results without using up too many credits, so I'll just select it. Now make sure that the option Intelligent Generation based on the screen is selected. After that, go to Animate All, tick Select All, click Next, and then hit Confirm. All right, so now all the images are being animated at once, and boom, the animations are done. Just look at some of these animated scenes. They look incredibly realistic. The camera movements feel smooth and cinematic. And remember, we didn't even use the most advanced models like Hailuo AI or Kling AI yet. Just imagine how much more powerful and dynamic the results would be if we had used those. Even with Animate Pro, the video quality looks absolutely amazing. Mind-blowing, really. So now that the animation part is complete, just click Next. Now we've reached the final step where you have to set the cover image for your video. I'll quickly select one image to use as the cover. For the header style, I'm going to keep it as None. Next, in the subtitle settings, I'll leave everything as it is. No need to change anything there. Now let's move ahead and choose the background music. There are so many different music options available here. Listen to a few and pick the one that fits your story's mood the best. For this video, I'm going to apply this specific music track. It sounds soft and calming, which fits perfectly. Then hit Generate. Now choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to select the landscape one. Set the video resolution to high, and finally click OK. Now the video generation has started. This process usually takes just around 2 minutes, even for longer videos. And here we go. A complete 22-minute long video has been successfully generated. I'll now simply click the download button and save it. Let's check out the final result.
A colorful garden teems with life, flowers dancing in the gentle breeze. Milo, a small snail, finds solace on a patch of moss. His tiny gaze rises toward the tallest sunflower. The sunflower towers above him. Milo dreams of adventure in the vibrant garden. In Milo's imagination, I stand tall atop the sunflower, a solitary figure surveying the vibrant garden below. A sense of triumph washes over me as my gaze sweeps across the colorful expanse, basking in the beauty of Milo's world. My face lights up with a wide, genuine smile, reflecting the pure joy and accomplishment of this moment. The sun shines down, casting a warm glow over the garden, highlighting every petal and leaf in vibrant detail. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers, a symphony of colors and fragrances, creating a perfect, idyllic scene. In Milo's mind, I am the embodiment of success.
Wow, absolutely amazing. The video turned out super cool. The animation looks beautiful, the visuals are super crisp and clear, and the overall quality is just fantastic. You can see I made another story here, and its quality and animations are also quite amazing. So yes, you can make very good story videos here. This is how easily you can create bedtime story videos using just a single AI tool. Look, let me be honest with you. If you want real results, you need to upload videos consistently. Only then will you start getting views and building an audience. Don't dream of getting thousands of views from your very first video. That's not how it works. Instead, stay consistent, keep posting quality videos, and the views will definitely come with time. And now, let's quickly talk about the pricing of this tool. You can get started with it for just $8 per month, which is super affordable. But if you really want to boost your results and speed up your workflow, I'd highly recommend going for the Plus or Pro plans. These plans are faster, give you more features, and allow you to upload more videos consistently without delay. The link is right there in the video description. Do check it out. And yes, don't forget to watch the next video where I reveal a faceless YouTube channel that's making over $60,000 per month even while the creator is asleep.